Diyan. Check it. Uy, no. Baliktad. Okay na rin yan, guys. Yan ang, yan ang baon ko for today. Ito yung baon ko, guys. Yan. Tapos, meron tayong yogurt. Kuha tayong yogurt, guys. 4 snacks yan mamaya. So, yogurt for the day. Yan. So, may iba naman tayo. Mayroon akong dragon fruits. Yan ang yan ang natin for today. Dragon